Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Bitcoin closes 6-month green candle for the first time since 2013. So actually, things looking quite promising at the moment. The second news is all about that the Goldman Sachs will offer full spectrum of Bitcoin investments. So another bank after Morgan Stanley now is saying they're going into Bitcoin. And the third one, it's all about that more stimulus checks can come, and it could be even a bigger amount than it was just a couple of weeks ago, the one which they were agreed on. So all this in today's video. And don't forget, if you would like to keep yourself up to date, it's very important to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, every day, basically. The only thing you have to do, really hit the subscribe button, the bell button, and then all. And then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And also, if you like this content, smash the like button because it can spread it to more people on YouTube, which would be great because it's a free stuff. And check out the other links also under the video. For instance, the free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and so on and so forth. And other useful links you can find under this video. And now let's check out the market, how that looks like. So we can see Bitcoin at $59,109 US, which is a slight increase in the last 24 hours. On the other hand, Ethereum went up almost 5% in the last 24 hours compared to Bitcoin. That's a bigger increase. $1,926 US, which is a 20% up in 7 days. So Ethereum is getting more and more bullish now. When we're looking at the winners, any minute, Filecoin 21% up, Quantum 22% up, Torchain 17% up, and look, several nice gains. Again, things going in the good direction. We can have a nice bullish April after a bearish sideways March. When we're looking at the losers, Kusama 13% down, Theta 8% down, Pundi-X 8% down. So as you can see, there are bigger and more winners today than losers, and also Bitcoin and Ethereum looking quite good at the present. And now let's move on to the first news, which is also a kind of bullish one in a way, that actually Bitcoin has closed a 6-month green candle for the first time. Monthly candle, so 6 after each other since 2013. Right, so what we can see now, Bitcoin is performing well in the last 6 months, which means every single candle, monthly candle in the last 6 months is green. And we just closed the March one, and it still looks very nice. So let me show you that one. So here you can see these candles, and these are the monthly candles, and then you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we'll see how that one works out in April. And we could see 5 in a row. Back here, for instance, in 2019, actually that stopped after that, and it went all down, as you do know, and it ended up on the Black Thursday on 2020, the deepest point. And also here you can see 4 actually in a row, and 2013 was the only one. No, not this one. This news. When actually we had a very similar pattern. So let's talk about it a little bit. So Bitcoin has just closed 6 consecutive month green candle for first time since April 2013. Should history repeat, Bitcoin may enjoy further parabolic gains this year. So in April 2013, when we look back, right, Bitcoin closed at roughly $140 after posting 6 green monthly candle. 140 back in 2013. Crazy days. While the market would retrace the less than 100 over the next 2 months, Bitcoin would then surge 700% over the following 6 months and take price above 1,000 for the first time. So even after that, they had a bit red months, 2 of them, but then it was a nice increase. Then Bitcoin posted a similar pattern in the lead up to its parabolic bull run in 2017, with the market posting 5 consecutive green monthly candles heading into September. So they had 5 before in 2017. Why September? So Bitcoin post-range bound consolidation, Bitcoin surged into new all-time highs in October to rally from 5,000 to 20,000 by the end of the year. As you do know, the previous bull run ended up around 20,000. So it can maybe happen. It can be like a bearish candle coming. On the other hand, interestingly, March is usually bearish. April is bullish. So we will see how that plays out. According to the Bloomberg strategist, Mike McGlone, Bitcoin could be trading for more than 400,000 by US dollar by 2022. Should take market follow the trend previously witnessed during 2013 and 2017. So if those things happening would happen back, historically in 13 and 17, this can end up at 400,000. McGlone recently claimed that Bitcoin is well on its way to become a global digital reserve asset. So, however, past trends do not guarantee future performance, and the history of green candles is a little murky. Despite Bitcoin positive 5 green monthly candles in a row during late 2015, the early weeks of 2016 saw Bitcoin crash by 20%, producing several months of a tightening consolidation. So it didn't work out back then. Similarly, 5 consecutive months of bullish monument that kicked off 2019 was followed by pro-trace downturn, with Bitcoin having fallen more than 60% from its 2019 high aimed the Black Thursday, which I mentioned before, crash of March 2020. Bitcoin did not reclaim its 2019 price highs until December 2020. So it took quite a long. Which means we have example of both. We have example of having nice green candles, like 5 of them, and then bang, market goes down. We have the other one, 2013, 2017, and after a nice increase continues. It's more likely that the one in which happened in 2013 and 17 will happen this time, but just be aware of it, okay? But so far, so good. Things looking good for Bitcoin. And let's move on to the next news, which is all about that Goldman Sachs will offer full spectrum of Bitcoin investment. Another bank is into Bitcoin. The big change, what happened since, happened last year, basically, 2020, was that institutional investors started to get interest into crypto, into Bitcoin, and then banks appeared. Those guys who said back in 2017, Bitcoin is a scam, they changed their mind, and now they, focusing on crypto, focusing on Bitcoin, they investing, more importantly, and so on and so forth. And here we go. Here we have the next bullish news, which is all about that Goldman Sachs offers full spectrum of Bitcoin investment. This is their plan. So Goldman Sachs has revealed that it will be offering Bitcoin investments to its wealth management clients. The investment bank reportedly plans to offer a full spectrum of Bitcoin investment, whether that is through the physical Bitcoin, derivatives, or traditional investment vehicles. And Merrill Rich, who was recently named global head of digital asset for Goldman's private wealth management division, explained that the bank aimed to start offering Bitcoin investment in the second quarter. So actually pretty soon. There is contingent of clients who are looking to this asset as a hedge against inflation, and the macro backdrop over the past year has certainly played into that. There are also a large contingent of clients who feels like we are sitting at the dawn of a new internet in some ways and are looking for ways to participate in this space. So this is what she said. And this is just simply the fact. People, investors, their clients are feeling they really left out of this nice increase of Bitcoin so far. Since 2009, they could make much, much better gains if their portfolio, one tiny percentage of their portfolio, would be in Bitcoin. So now things are changing. Banks woke up and they realized, okay, we have to offer something like this to our clients because otherwise they won't be satisfied with us. They actually kind of, angry in a way. We are the experts and we haven't given them this opportunity. So now they're changing their mind. So earlier this month, Morgan Stanley revealed that it will start offering its wealth management clients access to 3 Bitcoin funds, becoming the first major bank to do so. And now, the next one. Here we go. Here we have now Goldman Sachs as well. And you think this finished? No, it hasn't. More and more banks, more and more institutions, there will be more possibilities to get into Bitcoin. And with that, it means more and more investors and people will actually get into Bitcoin, which will increase its price and actually it will push to new all-time highs. And this is the reason why actually 2021 looks definitely bullish of these reactions as the way the market reacts now on Bitcoin, the majority of the market. And importantly, from the investment side of you. Okay, let's move on to the next news, which is all about stimulus checks again. So yes, another news all about stimulus checks, just a kind of teaser because they just agreed on the 1.9 trillion US dollar one. And now it looks like that more stimulus is coming. President Biden and the Senate Democrats press for another 3 trillion. This is the way they're going. They keep printing money. The US government doesn't seem to want to stop creating money as talk of passing more stimulus legislation have increased almost right after passing the 1.9 trillion just weeks ago. Despite the fact that the average American, unconcerned about purchasing power and inflation, central bank members and politicians continue to find a way to create more funds. Americans are worried. I mean, the citizens, politicians, and the banks, let's make more. So they're not on the same side. The package will be around 3 trillion and it will focus on family-friendly policies and rebuilding infrastructure like hospital and school programs. So it's not approved, nothing like this. This is just like kind of gossiping around that this is the new plan. But what I just wanted to highlight with this, that, they haven't changed their strategy. They keep printing money, which definitely can increase the possibility of the dollar inflation. And with this, we more and more have to look into safe havens, and crypto definitely could be the one. Gold is also a nice possibility. However, if we compare now Bitcoin to gold, Bitcoin is definitely outperforming gold recently. At least in the last 6 months, no question of that. Even that the gold had an amazing year last year, which peaked in August 2020. But since then, Bitcoin performing very, very, very nicely. So yes, another good reason why we should consider the idea, thinking about invest in crypto. Not financial advice, of course, just ideas. You do your thinking and then decide what you think is better. But to be honest with you, keeping it cash, which is inflating, maybe not the best for sure. Okay, guys, That's it for today. Like the video if you like this content. I highly appreciate it. And also smash the subscribe button, then bell button, and all to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday. I keep you up to date. This is crucial in this volatile market. Know what's happening. Be part of the game. What's happening here is not financial advice, but definitely keeps you up to date. And this is very, very important, so you can make conscious decisions. And that's a key. Also, check out the free course we're offering, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. It's worth to check out, because I'm giving you a lot of worthy tips, valuable tips, which can help you at the beginning. And we have another course here, and also several useful links which with you can actually save money, even registering on Binance and so on and so forth, and you get nice discounts. So guys, I wish you an amazing day. And of course, tomorrow I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Have a good one.